In second video, I continue exercise number 7.1, question number 8. What is the question number 8? A conical water tank with the vertex down of 12 meter height. The vertical conical water tank height is 12 meter and the radius is 5 meter. And radius is 5 meter at the top. Height is what 12 meter, that radius is what 5 meter on the top. If water flows into the tank at the rate of 10 cubic meter per minute, the water flows into the tank at the rate is 10 cubic meter per minute. How fast is the depth of the water increase? How much the water increased when the water is 8 meter deep? For suppose water is 8 meter deep means how much water level is increased. What is the radius? The radius of the cone is what 5 meter. Height of the cone is what 12 meter. See the figure. Up R by H equal to what 5 by 12. That is R equal to 5 by 12 into H. What is the volume of the cone? Take the ratio for the radius and height. R by H equal to 5 by 12. That is R equal to 5 by 12 into H. Volume of the cone V equal to 1 by 3 pi R square H. Now 1 by 3 pi, instead of R we substitute what 5 by 12 into H the whole square into H. So 5 5s are 25, 12 12s are 144, 144 into 3 is what 432 pi H cube. Now rate of change of volume, that is a dV by dt equal to, now we are going to differentiate. 25 pi by 432 into H cube. H cube is differentiate, we get what 3 H square into dH by dt. 25 432 pi into H cube is differentiate, we get what 3 H square into 3H square dH by dt. Now H equal to 8 meter. Suppose the height is 8 meter. What is our dV by dt? Rate of change of volume is what? 10 cubic meter. The question is asking what? If the water level is, if the rate of change, water flows at the rate is 10 cubic meter means what is the depth of the water when 8 meter deep. Therefore, height become 8 meter means the rate of change of water is 10 cubic meter. Therefore, 10 equal to, instead of dV by dt equal to 10 equal to, say substitute this value, 25 pi by 432 into 3, instead of H what, you substitute this value, dV by dt is what 10, H equal to what 8 meter, so 8 square, and dV by dt equal to 10 equal to 25 pi by 432, 3 into what is our H equal to 8 square into dH by dt, 10 into, so we want to find dH by dt. So we write the reciprocal for all the term, 10 into 432 by 25 pi, 1 by 3 into 64, 8 square becomes 64 equal to dH by dt. After cancellation we get the answer, dH by dt equal to 9 by 10 pi meter per minute. Therefore what is this one? When the water is 8 meter deep means what is the rate of change? The water increases level is what? dH by dt equal to 9 by 10 pi meter per minute. Now see the question 9. A ladder is 17 meter long. A ladder is what? 17 meter long in the leaning against the wall. If the ladder is what? If the ladder is against the wall, the base of the ladder is pulled away from the wall is 5 meter per second. So the value is just from that place. From that place it is 5 meter. It push the wall. When the base of the ladder is 8 meters from the wall, when the base of the ladder become 8 meter from the wall, how far is the top of the ladder moving down the wall? How far? Suppose if it move means the ladder is what fall down. How fast is the top of the ladder moving down the wall, moving down from it down, moving down. Suppose if it move means the ladder is downward. Suppose this is the ladder, if it moves it is a little bit downward direction, it will move the ladder. So how fast is the top of the ladder moving down in the wall? At a what rate the area of the triangle formed by the ladder, wall and then floor is changing. And the rate? At what rate the area of the triangle formed by ladder, wall and the floor is changing. See now, a ladder is 17 meter long, is leaning against the wall. The base of the ladder is pulled away from the wall at the rate is 5 meter per second. When the rate of the ladder is 8 meter from the wall, when the base of the ladder is 8 meter from the wall, how fast is the top of the ladder moving down the wall? How fast the top of the ladder moving down the wall? At what rate the area of the triangle formed by ladder, wall and the floor is changing? from the right angle triangle. See the from the diagram. See the diagram. This is x base of the ladder. This base of the wall. This is height of the wall. This is what nothing but what ladder. So x square plus y square equal to s square. X square plus y square equal to s square. X when x is equal to 8. Suppose x is equal to 8 means because the ladder is what? This is nothing but what? Ladder. This is the ladder. This is the base of the wall. This is the height of the wall. So what is our when x is equal to 8? 8 square plus what is our ladder? Ladder is 17 meter. Ladder s is equal to what? 17. So 8 square plus y square equal to 17 square. That is y square equal to 17 square minus 8 square. We get what? Y equal to 15. So x square plus y square equal to 17 square. This is y. We get y. From x and s we find the y value. Now x square plus y square equal to what square? 17 square. Now we are going to differentiate. X is the 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt equal. If the constant differentiate, it becomes 0. So divide by 2, we get x into dx by dt plus y into dy by dt equal to 0. Here x is equal to 8 meter means dx by dt equal to, suppose x base of the wall 8 meter means, suppose little bit changes, it become what rate of changes for dx by dt equal to 5 meter per seconds. And y equal to 15. Now y equal to 15, what is we find dy by dt? The question itself is given. If suppose from the wall the rate of change is 5 meter per seconds. Suppose x is equal to 8 means dx by dt is what 5 meter per seconds. Now we find y. Suppose y equal to 15 meter means what is our dy by dt? Now instead of x you substitute what 8, dx by dt is what 5. X substitute வந்து what 8 when x is equal to 8. Suppose x is equal to 8, instead of x you substitute 8, dx by dt is what 5 plus what is our y value? Y value is nothing but what 15. 15 into dy by dt equal to 0. Substitute the value in the first equation. So what you get? 8 5s are 40, 15 into dy by dt. Now dy by dt equal to 8 5s are 40. Here what? 15 equal to 0. So we get the simplification. After the simplification, dy by dt equal to what? 8 5s are 40. This 15 is down. Minus 8 into 5 by 40 by 15 because moving down. So the wall is moving using what? Minus 8. Why we are using x is equal to minus 8 is nothing but what? If the base is base down a little bit, what? Reduce the value. So dy by dt equal to this 15 multiplication become division. That 8 into 50 is what? Minus 8 into 5. After you cancel, we get what? Minus 8 by 3 meter per seconds. So the top of the ladder is moving down. Therefore, we use minus 8 by 3 meter per second. So what is asking? At the rate the area of the triangle formed by ladder, wall and floor is changing. First we find the top of what is the first question? At what how fast is the top of the ladder moving down? Suppose moving down means the top of the ladder is moving down, the wall is what? Minus 8 by 3 meter per seconds. Now we are going to find the second one. How much the area changed? Area, ladder, wall and the floor changed. Therefore area A equal 1 by 2 into BH, half into base into area. dA by dt equal to 1 by 2 into, if you keep it B, you are using the UV rule, d by h by dt plus h dv by dt. When base equal to 8 meter, h equal to 1 meter? 15 meter. dv by dt equal to what? What is our dv? Base, how much base is change? Rate of change of the base is what? 8 meter per second. So now dv by dt equal to 5 meter per second. What is our dh by dt? Just now we find dh by dt, height. So minus 8 by 3 meter per seconds. Therefore total area changed is what? dA by dt equal to 1 by 2 into, instead of b you substitute what? 8. Instead of dB by dt you substitute what? Minus 8 by 3 meter plus what is our h equal to what? 15 into what is our height? Rate of change of height is what? 5. Cosines are given. Next 1 by 2, 8 8s are 64. Minus 64 by 3 plus 15 into 5 is what? 75. After simplification we get what? 161 by 6. Take LCM, simplification we get what? 161 by 6. Dividing we get what? 26.83 square meter per seconds. Therefore that what it the area of the triangle formed by the ladder, wall and the floor is changed. So what? A by dt equal 26.83 square meter per seconds. See the question number 10. A police jeep approaching the orthogonal intersection formed by northern direction is changing the speed of the car. See the a police jeep approaching an orthogonal intersection. This is the orthogonal intersection. Car jeep meet at the point. So the police jeep approaching the orthogonal intersection from the northern direction in chasing is chasing the speed car that has been turned and moving the straight east, that is straight east. So when the jeep is 9.6 meter north of the intersection, 9.8 meter north, and the jeep is north side of north of the intersection, and the car is 0.82 kilometer for the east. The car going to east side, jeep is going to the northern side. Northern side. The police determined with a radar. The police used the radar that the distance between them and the car is increasing 20 km per hour. Is the jeep is moving 60 km per hour at the instant of measurement. What is the speed of the car? The jeep, the speed of the jeep is 60 km per hour means instant measurement. If the speed of the jeep is 60 km per hour means what is the speed of the car? This is what car in the eastern direction, this is what jeep in the northern direction. The distance between jeep and car is what? Yes, that is the the distance between the jeep and car is taken as s. This is the orthogonal point of intersection. From the intersection the car is taken as what? X kilometer distance. From that point of intersection jeep distance is what? Y. So using the right angle triangle, s is equal to root of x square plus y square. What is x? Question itself given. 0.8 whole square plus 0.6 whole square. Car, when the jeep is 0.6, jeep is nothing but y, car is at 0.8, so therefore 0.8 plus 0.6 whole square is nothing but 0.64 plus 0.36. 64 plus 30 we get 100. 1.00 we use 1. 0.8 square 0. Is what? Root of 0.64 plus 0.36. If we add we get what? 1.00, next root 1. So s equal to 1. Now if when it's given x is equal to 0.8 and y equal to 0.6, what is our dy by dt? Question itself given. The police determined the radar using the increase the speed is what? What is the speed increase? The jeep is moving 60 km instant of measurement. That is what? Dy by dt equal to minus 60. What is our dx by dt? 20 km per hour. Dy by dt is minus 60. That is come down here. So come down means it having the negative direction. This is moving here. The car is moving this side. So dy by dt is what? Minus 60 km per hour. Dx by dt is what? 20. From the figure s square equal to x square plus y square. Now we are going to differentiate with respect to t. 2x dx by dt equal to 2s ds by dt equal to 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt. Divide by 2, what happened? S ds by dt equal to x into dx by dt plus y into dy by dt. Substitute. What is the value of substitute? S is equal to, we find 1. S is equal to 1. ds by dt is what? We substitute 20. ds by dt is 20 equal to, what is our x? X is equal to nothing but 0.8. What into dx by dt plus 0.6. Y is what? 0. Y equal to nothing but what? 0.6. Y is 0.6 into minus 60. Now 1 into 20 is 20. Dx by dt, we want to find dx by dt. Keep all the term in the right hand side. Dx by dt equal to 20 plus 36. 6 are 36. Minus 36 become plus 36. So after 2 digit you put the point with plus 36. 20 plus 36 by 0.8. So we want from this equation we find dx by dt. Dx by dt equal to 20 plus 36 by 0.8. That is 56 by 0.8. If we cancel we get what? 70. Therefore dx by dt is 70 km per hour. What is the speed of the car? If the if the jeep is moving 60 km per hour, if the jeep is moving 60 km per hour means the speed of the car is what? 70 km. Therefore the speed of the car, rate of change of speed, speed of the car is what? Speed of the car is 70 km per hour. Students, these are all very important word problem. Go through the sum properly and take down for your classroom notebook. Thank you, students.